How to set up Stremio Addons. So if you want to set up these Stremio Addons, then first you need to open up the application. Once you open the application, you need to go for the addons, which is on the bottom right. Here you can simply go with installed, and under installed you will have all of the installed addons that you've added previously for your streaming pleasure. Or you can simply go with the community, and from here you can add or set up your addons. Or you can also go with the official addons. So you can simply choose the official for now. Once you've chosen now, official add-ons are directly provided by the Stremio platform. You can explore and install them to enhance your content library. And after that, the community add-ons. Here you will find third-party add-ons created by the Stremio community. You'll find a diverse range of options. You can simply go and tap on install. Once you tap on install, it will start the installation process, and you'll be able to just add that on your Stremio. Or if you have a specific add-on in your mind, then use the search bar to find it quickly. Your add-ons will be nearly displayed on this board, making it easy to locate and install the one you need. So that's it. You can simply navigate and you can use your Stremio add-ons. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.